In one of our previous videos, I have shown how to turn off the silent mode by making a use of the switch. With the help of this switch, you can turn on or turn off the silent mode. But what if your switch is broken or if your switch is not working? In that case, I will show you how to turn off the silent mode without the switch. So watch this video till the end and let's begin. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. The very first step is to go to settings on your iPhone. Now go to accessibility. Here you will see an option of touch. Just tap on touch. Tap on assistive touch. Turn on the assistive touch. So this will turn on the assistive touch. With the help of this assistive touch, you can turn off the silent mode. Just tap on the assistive touch. Now tap on device. Tap on unmute. So this is how you can turn on or turn off the silent mode without making the use of switch. So I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. For more detailed tutorial, click the first link given in the description of the video. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.